Vivo launched its new smartphone under V60 lineup in India called Vivo V60e, with AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo V60e features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad curved AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7360 Turbo chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo V60e sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.88 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15 based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.53 by 76.96 by 7.49 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo V60e5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 31,999 Indian rupees. The higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 33,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Elite Purple and Noble Gold color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from October 10th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo V60e5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.